In the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections in Mumbai on May 20th, citizens are raising their voices against poor infrastructure in many parts of the city. With no roads and difficulties in commuting, 6,000 residents, including senior citizens, are taking a stand. Pothole-riddled streets and a lack of sewage systems have left many housing societies suffering. Citizens say that despite the change in governments, the situation remains unchanged. This time, citizens have taken a firm stand with their call for no road, no vote. My colleague Shweta brings us this ground report. Let's take a look.
Mumbai gears up for upcoming Lok Sabha elections slated for May 20. It's been seen that there have been several citizen groups across the city, those who are striding, making hard efforts so that the authorities can listen to their needing concerns. There have been many key issues, and right now we are in Charkop talking to one of the citizen group, and they have the major concern on better infrastructure. To join me, we have several people here. First, I'll begin with you, Vaibhav. You know, we have been speaking about this particular patch time and again. The entire group has also come up with the fact that no road, no vote. What do you have to say on this?
Yes, so we have raised this issue at all the levels possible, and we have several meetings already in place, but there is no output or outcome which is getting generated.
I'll come to you, Mr. Prakash. As you were focusing on many issues, there are several key issues. Please, let's talk about the road infrastructure which is in poor condition right in front of us.
Yeah, here we have seen that since last 35 years in the Highland complex there is no road maintained or drainage is maintained in a proper way, and they are suffering. So far, they have been promised by many politicians, but nothing has been happened.
No road, no vote.
पहले तो इश्यू ऐसा है कि रोड की कंडीशंस आपने तो देखी है अभी कैसे है। यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने बहुत पॉलिटिशियंस के पास गए, मीटिंग्स की, बीएमसी में भी मीटिंग हुई, लेकिन आउटपुट तो अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ। मैं तो लास्ट 20-25 बरस से यहाँ रह रहा हूँ।
सर, मैं आपसे जानूंगी क्या कुछ डिफिकल्टीज आप फेस करते हैं क्योंकि रोड नहीं बना है पिछले 35 वर्षों से?
काफी प्रॉब्लम तो है। हम लोग देख रहे हैं रोड की हालत इतनी खराब है। अभी सीनियर सिटीजन है, वो चल के भी आएगा तो गिर जाता है।
Indeed, it is high time now. Quickly to sum up, I can ask Nitesh to come here and just show. This entire patch of road is a pothole-riddled road, and as you go far, you will only see the increment in potholes. And in a month, about there will be the approach of monsoon. But here, what we see is that all the promises have done, but nothing concrete results have come out, leading to these citizens to make a firm stand, stating that no road, no vote this time.